Now I am painting the bottle. My mother cut the bottle. If you cannot use the scissor, give to your elder ones. I choose blue color. You can take any color whatever you want. I am using this bottle for the planting. You can use the bottle for the different things. Now I am done with the painting. Now I put the bottle for dry. After dry, I will put soil in bottle. Some decoration. Now I put soil in bottle. So I am planting the plant Tulsi. You can use seeds. Tulsi have a great value in Indian culture. The Tulsi used as a medicine. Tulsi have lots of benefit for health. Tulsi's scientific name is OCIMUM TENUIFLORUM. We should keep our nature beautiful. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.